Okay, so as far as the plot goes, how do you do that?
You put it in
mean, what,
square
2 or 3
2
you put it?
Okay, you do what?
square 2 into another half.
No, let's go just straight from the angle there. How do I plot that? How do I plot that? I know the R, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And I know the angle.
Right.
And we've learned how to plot if we have the R and the angle. Okay, so 30 degrees. I know what that looks like.
2 on the terminal.
And 2 on the terminal side, yes. Okay, so that's essentially what they're asking for when they ask you to plot a complex number in polar form. Draw the angle and plot the point. Okay, just like we learned back in the first section. All right, what are they asking for if they ask for the magnitude? The R, which is 2. And we don't really have to do anything. I mean, that's right there, right? I mean, there's nothing for me to calculate, okay? Magnitude is the R value, and we already know that that's equal to 2. All right, the rectangular form. All you need to do for the rectangular form is essentially take your polar form and simplify it. So come in and actually evaluate the angles, okay, at the cosine and the sine, and work it out, and you're done. All right, so nothing really that you have to do formula-wise like we did over here. All right, so let's see what happens when we do that. So I'm going to leave the 2 out in the front. What's cosine 30?
Square 3.
Square root of 3 over 2, so I'm going to put that in for that one. Okay, I've got my I. What's sine 30? Sine 30, 1/2. Okay. All right, and then we do whatever simplifying we can do, which in this case is going to be taking that 2 and distributing it through. So what happens when you multiply 2 times that fraction?
Square 3
Just left with the square root of 3
plus I.
plus 1I, right? Okay, and there's my rectangular form. Okay, so that way should be pretty easy. I mean, you're really just kind of evaluating, simplifying, and you guys have asked me several times over the last couple of days if you can do that. Like, we kind of want to do that anyway. When we see something in polar form, you guys sort of want to go ahead and evaluate it. So that's when we do it, is if we want to go to rectangular form. All right, so let's try one more. What about if you had V is equal to 3 cosine 110 plus I sine 110. All right, with the same 3 directions. Okay, notice the difference between this one and the last one is what? Yeah, the 110 is not a unit circle angle. The 30 degrees was. Okay, so that means that this one is essentially coming out of your head, whereas this one is coming from the calculator. Okay? All right, so that's what you're looking at. Whether it's something you figure out by yourself or whether it's something you're going to need to use the calculator for. All right, let's get the plot done. So where's 110? Second quadrant. All right, so just sort of estimate a little bit past that 90-degree line. Draw 110 in there. And then where's the point?
On the terminal.
Terminal side, 3 units up. All right, it asks me for the magnitude. I'm going to say 3. 3. Okay, that's my R value. All right, so rectangular form, we're basically going to evaluate cosine 110, evaluate sine 110, and then simplify it. All right, so we need to go to degrees here on this one. All right, and do cosine 110. All right, so is that negative 0.34? And then the sine 110 is 0.94. So you multiply 3 times each of those two. that? You'd rather do it like that, a little more precise like that?
Before rounding off the 3.4,
Mhm.
add it with sine, cosine, whatever, plus sign one side, sine the other side.
Add the inside variables before
Rounding off.
rounding to exact.
They're not the same,
What inside variables?
The 0.34 and the
but they're not. The 0.34, 0.94 is with I.
You can't because
oh, the I,
the
yeah.
Sorry.
Little slip there.
That made it a lot easier.
All right, so, yeah, here, we're not gonna get too ticky about the rounding. I mean, if you round it here and multiply by, I don't really know that it's gonna make a difference. Multiply it by the 3. All right, that's gonna give you negative 1.02. And then we'll multiply the 3 times the 0.94. Okay, 2.82, and we've got an I on